What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this one is by request by one of the members in our Discord. So today we're going to be talking about a little bit about institutional market structure and then how to project um, highs and lows using standard deviations and like what settings do we use on the fib to project these highs and lows. So first, we're going to start off with a little quick institutional market structure, right? So we have these STLs and ITLs. So what it is basically you have a short-term low and a short-term low here. And in between these two short-term lows are this intermediate low. So what makes these short-term lows is there's a higher low to the left and a higher low to the right. Okay. And then the intermediate is a higher short-term low to the right and a higher short-term low to the left. Okay. Now, this long-term low is a long-term low because it has an intermediate term low to the left and an intermediate term low to the right. Okay. So this makes this long-term low. Now, on this chart, you can see clearly buy side is resting up here. Okay. So before this high is made here at all, this price action in here, this long-term low and this structure, right? We're gauging buy side is above here. So how can we project? We have this target, right? But how far above buy side or how far on the range if our daily bias is bullish on this day can we project higher, or where can we target, right? So you're going to want to grab your Fibonacci tool, okay, and you're going to anchor it from this low to this high, and then we're going to make another one from this low to this high. Okay, so let's make this first one from this long-term low here to the short-term low higher. And we'll look at the settings here. So this is the settings we use on the Fibonacci. Okay. So from 0 to 1, negative 0.5, all the way through negative 10. Okay. So there's those. So we can't use negative 1. So we need the next high above the buy side, right? So the next standard deviation above buy side, which is 4101.50. Okay. So if we make a line there, okay, we can see one standard deviation above buy side liquidity here is 4101.50. Okay. So now we're going to take our fib from this low here to this high here. Okay. And we'll get it lined up here. This one, again, 41.0150. And then we also have this one above here. So, but the next one above buy side is this one here, right? So we move forward in price. We had a shallow run here, right? We tapped in there, but if we look at the high here in this corner right here where it says H, we look at the high in here on this candle, 4101.50 exactly, right? See that? Now, same thing over here. We have short term, intermediate term, short term. Well, we have our last hour macro in here. So if we take this over here, again, we're going to take this low, the intermediate term low, to this swing high here, right? Now we can't take one because one is underneath this buy side. So the new buy side is this high in this red line, right? So the next one above that is this 41.0 4104.00, right there. Okay. And we're going to take this low over here, this is short-term low, to this swing high. So this short-term low, let me move this out of the way so we can get it. Short-term low to this high, there. We get 4104.25 just above this high, right? So the next standard deviation, we can't do negative 1.5 because it gives us underneath this high. So we need the next one above, which is 4104.25, right? So if we put the coordinates here, coordinates 4104.25. Boom. So here we have the last hour of macro, right? Market on close. And if we look at the high of the day, right? So again, we're going to look at this number here, the H, right? The high. So if we look at the high of the day, comes in at 4104.25, right? So last hour market on close, 15 minutes after 3 to 45 minutes after 3 is when the algorithm will run the last market on close on the orders. You can see here we have this bullish fair value gap we dip into again, and then we drive higher, taking out this buy side and this buy side. So hope you guys found this one insightful. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, and there is a limited time discount on lifetime access to the Discord if you want to become one of our members. Click the link in the description. Until next time, guys, trade safe.